Welcome back to Project Box. In this episode we're going to be talking about enclosures. So on my MakerGear M2 I was printing half of this hopper here, and my ABS plastic was lifting up off the bed, as you can see here. So this piece is basically wrecked because it came off the bed, because right now I'm printing in the basement where sometimes in the winter it can get down to 54 degrees. So we got to come up with a solution for that so that the cold air doesn't cool the print faster than we want it to. Other problems that this can lead to with ABS is layer separation. Like this piece isn't that bad, it's just a little one area where it started to separate. But I'll show you how I fixed that problem. Step 1. Remember that box that you got when you first got your MakerGear? Well, here's mine. First, tape up the edge of the boxes, so it doesn't fall over on itself. Step 2. Take the box, put it over your MakerGear M2. Finished! Yes! There, it's perfect. Now you don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay 1 cent for this. You already have the box. MakerGear already sent it to you. Weren't they gracious enough? Now if you want to modify it, obviously you want a door. Then you can get into it, take out your print. Just take out your knife and just cut along here. Then you can open it up. Here, let's do that. There, we'll speed this up. There you go. Now you customized your own enclosure, so you can open it up, pick out your print. There you go, look how much room that has. You don't have to pay $400 for an enclosure, you can just use this. So really guys, I would never do that. I would never take a cardboard box and use that as my enclosure to keep things at the same temperature. This is what I actually am using now. It's a Ikea Parts see, here's the name brands of them. That is for the box, and it's a deep box so we can actually fit the MakerGear in there. And then for the door I just have well, I guess I don't have the name of the door, but you can just pick that up at Ikea. And it's pretty cheap. It was like $46 for everything. And then I went and got some LED lights so that we can see what's going on. I printed off this piece and put it on Thingiverse. I'll link it in the description for my camera so I can record what I'm printing, which I'm printing right now the other side of the hopper. And then I did some cable management. Here's where the LED switch is, turn off the lights. And then all the wiring is in the back, out of the way. The only problem with this is actually getting to switch the filament and pick up the items because they're off to the side. I would like it to go front and back, but then I would hit into the glass, which stinks. So I might actually make a door here to open that up and get in there, or I might just buy another one of these glass doors and just install it on the other side so we can have doors open on both sides so I can get at the filament easier. Alright, well, tell me what you guys think about this. Right now, the only problem I have is if it stays closed, the door in my basement, that it overheats the stepper motors, which is no good. So I have to keep it open a little bit, but it keeps it pretty quiet. Alright, see you later.